Good day and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up a project, add targets, and configure rounds in your M1. Let's get started. To create a project on your Settop M1, you need to click Project in the bottom right corner of the Web UI homepage. You will then be prompted for a project name, total station name, and height of instrument. After filling out these fields, click Create in the bottom right corner of the page. To create a project using an existing TS file, simply click Upload and select your desired TS file, followed by Create. Next, you need to click the Mode icon on the M1 station homepage. By default, this is set to manual measure mode. We recommend changing to Fine Lock, and then click Apply in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now it is time to add targets to your project. Turn your total station manually to the target you wish to add. From the M1 homepage, click the Add Measure icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. You will be prompted for a target name, height, we're going to use 0 for this demo, and prism constant. It is recommended that the face prompt be left at the default Face 1, Face 2, and Measure mode be set to Fine Lock. Now click Measure. Once you see that your target has been measured, click the Add Project icon in the bottom right of the screen. Repeat these steps until you have added all your desired targets. To confirm that all of your targets have been added correctly, you need to go to the M1 station homepage and click the Targets icon in the bottom right corner of the page. Once you have confirmed all of your targets have been added correctly, you are ready to configure your rounds. You can do this by going to the M1 station homepage and clicking the Scheduler icon. Here you are prompted for order, set or number of rounds, and round interval. You can also choose to repeat missing targets at the end of each round and specify the days you wish to measure. To complete the configuration of the round scheduler, click Save in the bottom right corner of the screen. You are now ready to start monitoring. Click the Start icon to set your monitoring project in motion.